Hello friends, welcome to the new session where we are going to learn again something new and exciting. Okay, today I have got some new topic for you. Do you have any idea what are we going to learn today? This topic is called as subtraction. It is a combination of two words, sub and traction. Okay, so subtraction basically means to reduce. Say I have got 5 apples with me. I gave 2 to my younger brother. So how many do I have? I had 5 apples with me. Right. I gave off 2 to my younger brother. So how many am I left with? 5 minus 2. It's 1, 2 and 3. So I have only 3 apples remaining with me. Right? Another question is, I have got 6 stars with me for my birthday. Okay? And my best friend wanted to have 2 of them. I gave the 2 stars to my best friend. So how many stars am I having in total? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So what did we notice in these two questions, children? What was common? Here I am using the sign something like a dash, right? So what is this sign called as? This sign is called as minus. Okay, whenever you see this symbol, it means that I have to reduce the number. Okay, and these two numbers give me the difference value. This is called as my difference value. Okay, this is my larger number and this 2 will be my smaller number. Okay, the result of what we are obtaining after reducing or after subtraction gives the difference value. So are you clear, children? Subtraction generally consists of a larger number and a smaller number. When we put the symbol minus, it gives me the difference value. So I am also going to tell you about the properties of subtraction. Okay, so are you ready to know what are the basic properties of subtraction? Okay, the first property says that any number subtracted with 0 gives same value. So this is the same as addition. In addition, we learned that any number when added with 0 gives the same value. Similarly, any number when subtracted with 0 will give me the same value. For example, if I try to reduce 0 from value 5, my answer will remain the same. It will not change. Okay. Similarly, 9 minus 0 will give me the same value, 9. Is it clear? Okay. The next property says any number when reduced by 1 gives the previous number. For example, if I reduce 1 from 10, I will get the answer 9. And what is the number which comes before 10? Yes, 9. Right. Similarly, if I reduce 1 from 5, what will be the answer? What will come before 5? Good, it is 4. So, any number reduced by 1 will give the previous number. Okay. The next rule says that any number subtracted by the number itself will give 0. So, what does this mean? Any number subtracted by the number itself will give 0. For example, if I reduce 5 from 5, the answer will be 0. If I reduce 9 from 9, my answer will be 0. It's as simple as that. You have 5 balls with you and someone took all the 5 balls from you. Is the answer? Answer is 0. Okay. So, here in subtraction, basically we follow the borrowing method, which means that in case the number from which we have to reduce, if that value is lesser than the other number, then we borrow it from the next place value. For example, if I write 10 where 0 is lesser than the other value, I will borrow the next number from the tens place. Okay. So, if you see the example, it will be more clear. For example, if I write 30 minus 7. Okay. We all know that 0 is less than 7 and it is not possible for me to do the subtraction now. What will I do? I will borrow from 10. So, this becomes 10 and this will be reduced to 2 because I have borrowed 1 here, right. So, 10 minus 7, having 10 in the mind, then you will do the production. So, after it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So, it will be 3 here and here there is nothing. So, 2 minus 0 becomes 2. So, it will become 23. Shall we do some more? Okay. 55 minus 39. Okay. So, again the tens and ones. Now, 5 is smaller than 9. It is not possible for me to do the subtraction. So, I will borrow from tens. It will become 15. So, 15 minus 9, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. Now, since I have borrowed 1 from here, this will be reduced by 1 number. So, it will become 4. So, 4 minus 3 is 1. So, my answer is 16. Shall we do some more? Okay. Now, tell me 23 minus 18. Okay. So, again it is tens, ones, 3. It's not possible to reduce 3 from 8, right. So, it will become here 13 and this 2 will become 1. So, 13 minus 8, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. So, here it will be 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, my answer will be 5. So, is it clear, children? Are you ready to start with the new challenging questions?